Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a very popular Stihl 038 AV Super. This was the close to 4 cubic inch saw, a very popular firewood saw. You can run up to a 32 inch bar on this. This one's got a 28 inch sprocket nose, skip tooth chain. That's a chisel bit, 3/8, 63 gauge. And we'll take a look at it. And it has just a hand guard. That's not a chain brake. That's just a hand guard, all that is. Automatic oiler. And it's just a good, clean saw. And it runs very well. Go out the log deck and make a cut with it.